Did you say you have one lens only? You're in the right place. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, and today we're gonna have a challenge. My DJI Action 2 versus my Leica Q2 for street photography. I had the idea last month when I was in Milan and I met a couple of guys. One was using a GoPro Hero 9, the other one was using the Insta360. They were curious about my DJI, so we talked a bit and they told me they are using an action cam for street photography. I have to admit that first I thought they were two lost souls, but then I realized it is a thing, especially among young people, to go out and use an action cam for street photography, because then after you come home and you download your 4K recording, you are able to do and to add a freeze frame and then to process it. So the thing is quite comparable. Also, people do not realize they are on camera, so you have a more candid shot comparing to when you point a proper camera at them. So I started practicing with it when I went back to Vancouver. I had quite fun. I was in Gastown and then at Canada Place, and of course you cannot fully compare the specs because one of the two has a very tiny sensor while the other one is a full frame sensor, and also the dynamic range is not comparable, but for our purposes, for screen purposes, the resolution of a frozen frame extracted from a 4K recording is quite good. Another thing I realized quite soon is that the DJI Action 2 has such a wider angle that I had to zoom in at least 1.5 times, if not 1.7, 1.8 times, in order to have the comparable and similar framing to the 28mm of my Leica lens. This said, let's go rolling. Let me know down in the comments here if you have any suggestions, if I did things properly, and how you enjoyed the video. So here I'm just going around randomly recording the scene and also having a comparable framing from a Leica Q2. So I mounted the DJI on top of my Leica in the hot shoe, similarly to when I record POV videos. Then I just go around and shoot street photography pictures with my camera and the DJI is recording it. Here it was the other way around. I was recording with the action cam first and then I was shooting pictures with the camera just to have a comparable framing to put side by side to it. There it goes. If you liked the video, if you got any value out of it, please remember to like it, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the new videos to come, and I guess I will see you later with a new challenge later this week. Thank you. Bye.